Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your account to your new device in Brawl Stars. So don't skip the video, let's follow my all step. Tap on settings. Make sure that your account is connected to Supercell ID. Tap on settings, scroll down. Tap on logout and click on logout. On your new device, log in with the same Supercell ID. Log in to Supercell ID. Tap on 3-line menu. Tap on settings. You can add multiple accounts Supercell ID. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to leave, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.